What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is for all you music lovers and closet superstars out there. We're going to be unboxing and reviewing an all-new all-in-one party speaker and karaoke machine from a company called Ikarao. Now, according to Ikarao, this speaker and karaoke machine is a revolutionary product unlike any other karaoke machine combo that's available today. Now, if you're not familiar with Ikarao, they are a company that specializes in innovative and affordable products with a goal to disrupt the current stagnant and overpriced karaoke industry. Now that to me sounds pretty good, especially because my existing theater sound system setup, which also has a karaoke feature, was complicated and super expensive to put together. And to be honest, it's not used very frequently. Now I'm excited to open this box to see what's inside because Ikarao promised a very unique and innovative karaoke sound system unlike any other. So stay tuned and we'll check this thing out. Now what we have here is Ikarao's all-new Break X1 smart karaoke machine and speaker system, which recently completed its successful Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign and is now available on both their website and Amazon for roughly $600. Now if you buy this on Amazon, there is also an instant $50 coupon. Now what we've got here is an all-in-one karaoke machine for adults that includes everything you need to have a great time with both friends and family. It's got two built-in self-charging wireless karaoke microphones, a built-in 800-watt Bluetooth professional set of speakers, a foldable 64 gigabit 13-inch touchscreen tablet, which is a first for an all-inclusive karaoke machine, and the ability to connect through Bluetooth or wirelessly for endless hours of fun. Now according to Ikarao, that is only scratching the surface of what this speaker karaoke machine can do. Now this particular model and unit that I have sitting in front of me here today in the studio is their prototype, and I've had it for quite some time now. So there's definitely going to be some additional features and bug fixes in the production unit that's selling now. So don't be surprised if you order this that you'll probably have a more fleshed out and full featured system. Now I do want to thank Ikarao for sending this unit out to me to unbox and review on this channel. They aren't paying me to promote this speaker, so expect me to give you my honest opinion about this karaoke machine. Okay, so now that that's out of the way and we've got this thing out of the box, at first glance, this speaker feels like a very well built machine. From the look and feel of it, it's made of some high quality plastic, aluminum, and various other materials, and it feels like a very sturdy device. It's also got a nice weight to it, but it isn't too heavy to carry around. Now interestingly enough, and aside from the build quality of this speaker, it also does come with this very durable and comfortable shoulder strap, which as you can see I've reconnected to the system itself, which you can use to carry this thing around almost like a duffel bag, which means this thing is not only a stationary speaker and karaoke machine, but is also something that you can take virtually anywhere. Now if you are carrying this thing for long distances and the strap is too much or gets too uncomfortable, it's also got these nice built-in handles on the side which makes picking it up and moving it very easy. Now let's talk about some of the things I noticed right off the bat after taking this thing out of the box. Right around the front behind this aluminum grill, it looks like it's got one huge subwoofer in the center and two built-in tweeters, which once plugged in should light up like this, all thanks to the built-in LED lights that you can notice just around all the speakers itself. Which to me looks kind of like a happy face, which, music definitely does bring joy. So, I do like the aesthetic look of these LED lights on the speakers themselves. Now, from a features perspective and what makes this stand out, it does have this fold-out 13-inch LED touchscreen display, which runs the latest version of Android, which has been adapted and updated for this party speaker. And then right off the bat, I do like how this clamshell screen itself is adjustable to different angles and can also rotate around 180 degrees. Now, as you can see, the picture quality is also very vibrant and colorful, which is always a nice feature, especially when it's a karaoke machine where you're going to have to be reading text off of the screen itself. Now, in addition to that, it's also got a lot of features and design elements that make this speaker stand out from other karaoke systems. And overall, one of the features that I do like the best about this speaker is its ability to carry all the different accessories within the speaker itself. This karaoke speaker does come with two high-quality microphones that are not only sleek and compact in design, but you can easily store these in two ejectable charging bays built into the speaker itself, which all you have to do is press to release the microphones themselves. Each of these microphones has a comfortable weight to them and allows you to control the power and the volume output of each independently. In addition to that, each microphone has a cardioid microphone that uses anti-static technology so that you can capture the best sound possible and sound the best you can be when speaking into the microphones themselves. In addition to that, the buttons on the microphone allow you to not only adjust the volume, but also switch tracks, play and pause, and skip to the next track, which is a great feature, especially because they're wireless and you don't want to have to keep coming back up to the screen or the unit to change those features. Now what that also means is that you're virtually free to move around or even dance around without having to worry about wires getting in the way of your performance. Now, when it comes to audio quality and fidelity, the speaker itself has an output of up to 800 watts of peak power, which means if I were to play a sample audio file, it would sound amazingly good with clear and crisp highs and deep lows that are full of punchy bass. That means any sound file, including the royalty-free music I'm about to play, as well as any song that I decide I want to sing using this karaoke machine, will sound amazing. So listen for yourself and you can see how amazing and high quality the audio from this device sounds. Now, in addition to that amazing sound quality, this karaoke machine also has a huge range of options that you can adjust either through the touchscreen itself or using the controls and buttons built into the panel on top of the speaker itself. It's got 8 microphone settings, 5 magic sound effects, and 3 different EQ settings, which overall allows you to fine-tune your tone and pretty much unleash your inner superstar. Now, really quickly, just some examples of some of the features that you can change and some of the settings you can set for your microphone and the sound quality as well. So as you can see, there's a couple of different microphone settings. Right now I have it set to professional. So as you can see, it is very clear when you speak into the microphone itself. And then what's nice is you can also change the microphone to popular settings.
Popular singing mode.
So this is making it sound a little bit more loud and a little bit more robust. Or there's the KTV version,
KTV mode,
which makes it a little bit more echoey, which is typically what you hear in a KTV setting. Or you can even customize it to make yourself sound like a monster.
mode.
So here we go, where I sound like a monster. So there are functions so you can adjust the microphone and how you sound in the microphone as well, which is something that's super nice. You can also sound, this is one that I like, is the cartoon function.
Cartoon mode.
So it makes you sound like a little cartoon character. So as you can see, there are a number of different functions and settings that you can adjust on the microphone themselves, the touch screen, as well as the buttons on the unit itself, which can alter the way your performance or your karaoke experience go. And because this also runs an Android operating system, you can also install additional apps that are either karaoke or media related onto the device itself, because this also does serve as a media tablet that you can do a lot of different things with. Now, in addition to that, it's also got these very nice roller knobs on the side, which makes navigation and changing through the different settings super easy. And then I love the LED light effects and notifications built all around the speakers themselves, which is why I guess this thing is considered an all-in party box. Now, there are a couple of additional features, one in particular that I did not get to test because, one, this is a prototype, and two, because I only have one of these, and that is the true wireless stereo capability, which is a function that allows you to connect two of these identical speakers wirelessly to create a dual karaoke speaker arrangement. Now, what that feature does is it makes the sound even more pronounced and can even offer up stereo surround sound or an even more immersive experience because you're connecting the power of two speakers to one setup. So it's definitely something that I do hope I get to try whenever I order a second one of these speakers. Now, when it comes to use cases, this thing is great for seminars, it's great for parties, and it's perfect for just hanging out at home with friends and jamming or singing to some tunes. And in the last 2 months that I've had this thing, my friends and family have just had a blast with it. Now, what I also like about this speaker is that it supports both Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands, which is always nice when it comes to transfer speeds and latency, especially because you can download and store music and karaoke files on this device itself. It's also powered by an Android operating system, which allows you to not only download custom music to your library, but also gives you the ability to browse the web, as well as music and karaoke tracks directly from social media sources like YouTube. In addition to that, it's got ports on the back, which allows you to connect other devices externally and even wirelessly through Bluetooth to stream directly to the speaker itself. And then you can also use the ports on the back of the speaker so that you can also connect additional microphones and accessories, giving this karaoke speaker a wide range of customization ability. And it also just allows you to invite more people to a party and sing more than just duets or solos. Now, overall, I love the design of this party speaker. It lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge, it's easy to set up and easy to use, and it's got unique features that no other karaoke system has that I've used or set up in the past. And then best of all, it's got an unbeatable and affordable price that is both competitive and reasonable for everything that you get. In fact, I can't say it enough, but this is truly an all-in-one party speaker and karaoke machine, and something that I've really enjoyed using and would highly recommend if you're in the market for the best, most diverse karaoke machine and speaker system. Anyways, I know this was a short video, but I wanted to share with you this prototype, and hopefully I'll be able to do a follow-up video showing you the production unit as well and what changes were made. Anyways, as usual, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I'd appreciate it if you would support this channel by clicking that like button and subscribing. Please also make sure you ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. Maybe I will even post a follow-up with the production unit of this speaker. Now, if you are interested in purchasing a production unit of one of these karaoke speaker systems from Ikarao for yourself, I will leave a link to it in the description section below, along with any coupons or discount codes that I have at the time of this posting. If you have any questions or any feedback about the speaker itself, I always love to read your comments that you post in the comments section. Anyways, until the next video, see ya.